इधर पॉटी का छी कैसे मतलब गुटखे के पैकेट बॉटल सब ठीक था पॉटी करी हुई है यार।
It's been nearly 40 days since the Mahakumbh began, and since it started, it has been in the news for good and bad reasons. From millions of devotees coming together to take the holy dip, to several losing their lives in stampede in and outside Prayagraj. Mahakumbh has made history already, with a few days still left for the festive Hindu month. And now devotees are battling a new problem: fecal contamination in the holy water. So is the water at Mahakumbh safe for you to take a dip? Reports are saying it's not. The Ganga water at Triveni Sangam in Prayagraj, where millions of people take a holy dip during the Mahakumbh Mela, has been deemed unsafe for bathing. Why? Due to elevated levels of BOD, which is a critical parameter for assessing water quality. And no, I am not saying this, government reports are. Government data shows that BOD levels at the Sangam exceed the prescribed limit. The Central Pollution Control Board has already detected high levels of fecal coliform bacteria in the Ganga water. So now let's find out, what is BOD and fecal coliform bacteria? How can it impact your health? What are the levels of BOD and fecal coliform bacteria that are currently present in the water that people are taking a dip in? Let's understand. Biological oxygen demand, or BOD, measures the oxygen that aerobic microorganisms require to decompose organic material in the water. A higher BOD level indicates increased organic content, making the water unsuitable for bathing. So what should be the level? Well, water is considered safe for bathing when the BOD level is below 3 milligrams per litre. Note this because I am going to tell you some figures. Now on 16th of February, the BOD level at Sangam was 5.9 milligrams per litre. On 18th of February, 5 pm, the BOD was recorded at 4.6 milligrams per litre. On 19th of February, 8 am, the BOD was recorded at 5.29 milligrams per litre. For perspective, when the Mahakumbh Mela started on January 13, the BOD level at Sangam was 3.94 milligrams per litre. Moving ahead, what is fecal coliform bacteria? These are bacteria naturally present in the intestines of humans and warm-blooded animals. Now, their presence in water is often a warning sign for possible contamination. These bacteria indicates that water may contain harmful pathogens like viruses, parasites, and other disease-causing bacteria which originate from human or animal waste. One possible way of water contamination due to the bacteria is the presence of human and animal excreta in water. Okay, so what is the situation at Prayagraj? Well, the safe limit for fecal coliform in bathing water is 2500 mpn per 100 ml. However, the fecal coliform levels in Ganga is at 11,000 mpn per 100 ml near Shastri Bridge and 7,900 mpn per 100 ml at the Sangam, both far exceeding the safe limit. But who is to be blamed for all this? Well, before you reach a conclusion, I want you to take a look at this.
यहाँ नहीं धुलना है, आप भी वापस लेके चलिए। यहाँ लोग स्नान कर रहे हैं, उससे आचमन कर रहे हैं, गंगा जल पी रहे हैं, आप अपने कपड़े धुल रहे हैं। तो थोड़ा सा सिविक सेंस होना चाहिए। सभी धुल रहे हैं तो आप मना करें ना, घर में धोइएगा। कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
गाजीपुर से।
कहाँ से आए हैं? आप उसमें धोएंगे तो मैं छीन के फेंक दूंगी, मैं धोने नहीं दूंगी, मैं धोने नहीं दूंगी। अंकल जी, अंकल जी, अंकल जी, कपड़े नहीं धुलने हैं।
Videos of people washing their underwear and clothes at the Sangam water have surfaced. But well, that is not it. YouTuber Nidhi Chaudhary shared a video in which she expressed her disgust after allegedly finding Sangam area contaminated with human excreta.
थोड़ा सा यार मतलब क्या है ये, भी टट्टी करी हुई है यार लोगों ने। इधर पॉटी का छी कैसे मतलब गुटखे के पैकेट बॉटल सब ठीक था पॉटी करी हुई है यार। दुख हो रहा है मेरे को, रोना आ रहा है। टट्टी करते थे यार लोग, कैसे बोलते हैं।
Another user shared a similar experience. All this when 1.5 lakh toilets have been installed at the Mahakumbh Mela area. However, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has refuted the report, saying that water is fit not just for taking a dip, but even for drinking. The UP CM further stated that the amount of fecal coliform in Prayagraj is as per the standards, that is less than 2,500 mpn per 100 ml. The CM said that CPCB also confirmed that the water met cleanliness standards. And well, while the controversy over Ganga water at the Mahakumbh continues, it's clear that concerns about water quality and health are not to be ignored.